Hey, concrete fans, this is a leftovers. We're doing a leftovers. What do I got? And we're also doing, this leftovers is going to be a found mold. I've got a big tub of Philadelphia cream cheese. It's empty because I pound this stuff. Yep, yes I do. I love cream cheese on bagels. In particular, I've got this, and I've got one of my tofu snack containers. And I'm doing something a little different today in that we're going fast. So you know what I'm doing? Or you want to know what I'm not doing? I'm not taping or gluing this together. I'm going to hold it with my finger. I've got my leftover concrete, and I'm going to dump my leftover concrete in here. And let's just see what we get. What do you think is going to happen? Number one, might be tough to keep this centered without taping it down, don't you think? But I'm holding this relatively straight. Number two, it might float on me. Have I moved? Stay put. Don't move. Okay. Oh, still got some leftovers in here. What else could happen? Concrete flows under this thing. I'm probably not going to be able to vibrate it that much. And the concrete we're working with today is weird. This is leftovers from using lightweight aggregate, a little lightweight aggregate experiment that I did for you. Okay, so leftovers. Holding this in place, flicking with my finger for vibration. And I think I stayed relatively centered. Is this anything? Tap down some of this. Lightweight aggregate does not like to self-level. It leaves a little bit of bumpiness, but it also wet sands down very quickly. So no worries there. Just a quick leftovers. How lazy can you get? Not much lazier than this. Taking garbage and filling it up with what would have potentially also been garbage, just leftover concrete. Pretty lazy, but we made something. What do you think? Did we make something worthwhile? I hope so. I might just give you an idea. Let's see what we get. I end up with a bunch of these just things around. Concrete things, always. I'm just always making bits and baubles, and they're all over the place. So I like that. I'm going to take my finger away. Hopefully this doesn't float. What's everyone think? Oh boy, here we go. It didn't move. Maybe we got away with something. Come back in 4 hours. Let's find out. Hey, concrete friends, concrete artists. We're back with leftovers. Had some leftovers from some lightweight concrete that we were working on. Lightweight concrete. Let's see here. And oh, that was easy. So that just popped out like so. And we can end up using this. Philly cream cheese, we can use this again. Throw this to the side. And let's see if our little, oh no. So a little bit of concrete did get under the edge of this, and I chipped it out on the side. And I've made this thing. It's cool. It's like a little stand. You can stand things in here. So here's a little circular object, and we can just, boop. That's what that's for. Put guys in there. It's some kind of stand. I don't know what it is, but we made it together out of leftover stuff we would have normally thrown out or recycled. We've got this thing. Thanks, everybody. Hope you had fun. That was a quick one. Not meant to be this super long thing. Just doing something really quick. Quick concrete. With Mr. Concrete on Concrete. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.